Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Greg Heffley from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Step 1. Sketch some guidelines. Use a circle for his head, a rectangle for his body, and another smaller circle for his hips. Add some guidelines to his face so you know where to add his eyes, nose, and mouth. Step 2. Using slightly curved lines, lightly sketch out where you want his arms and legs to be. Step 3. Time to give some detail to his face. Using the guidelines we made before, draw his eyes, nose, mouth, and ear. Step 4. Follow the guidelines you made to draw Greg's shirt using some curved rectangles. Don't forget to add 3 strands of hair to the top of his head on this step. Step 5. Add some details to his hands by giving them fingers and draw his pants. Add 2 long skinny rectangles for his legs, then add his socks and shoes. Step 6. Outline. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned April 17th at 1 p.m. for the next How to Draw. We're going to be drawing Baby Yoda.